We want Wraith. Push the button. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what he talking about. You talking push the start. If you talking about, you know what I'm saying, put it in sport mode. There's a lot of buttons you can press. Like push my buttons because you know what I'm saying? It's a freestyle. You know what we want, Wraith?
No.
What the fuck? But yeah, we'll get straight into this, man. We want Wraith. He's tough. He's another melody. You know what I mean?
I feel like I've seen that name before.
Yeah. Wait, the yellow. Oh my God, y'all remember that? Yo, Reptile, you are day one. The yellow cam. The red house. The internet was tragic. The red house. I'm going to be back there though in the summer. Holy. The internet was tragic. Yo, y'all got me dying. Damn, double R. He really rich. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Bro, he just slid on it. Like he didn't even he just literally just slid on it. Benzo, chat, y'all some of the W's, man. Y'all know how it is, Benzo, man. Y'all know it, nigga. You know it, nigga. We gotta love the Benzes. Come on, nigga. We want Wraith, but he could really drive the Benz. Come on. Appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah.
Live life like a movie, it gets realer, gone through it. High speed chase, see the traffic off through it. My niggas don't care about nothing. Don't make me push on the button. Yeah, they really thought that I couldn't do it. Used to walk the streets of nothing, now we're running through it. My niggas don't care about nothing, they gonna shoot. It's a dark place, but niggas ain't got nothing to lose. So much heartbreak, and it feels like it's finished and it's so far away. We won't race, they got no heart, he gave his heart away. Back to my heart, these niggas, they couldn't.
Yo, you know what this reminds me of? Northside.
Benji?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can definitely hear that.
Yeah, they got the same type of flow, same type of melodies.
Yeah. I hear that stuff. Boring, what's good, gang? What's up?
What's your face use a little more auto-tune than this nigga, though.
Yeah, most definitely. That's a Benz. Like, you know, like it's type B, like
This shit I can low key bump to, like,
you know what I'm saying, like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he doing his thing. I ain't gonna cat to you.
He slid.
He slid on that.
No
That's
cap.
Yo,
You said 7.5. Nah, I'll give it an 8.
I'll give it an 8, bro.
Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, man.
Tough.
Click that first link in the description.
We got the same type of sound on like all of his music.
It's kind of It's kind of the.
So you don't be rapping for real?
Nah, it's mainly like this. My cap in chat. That's what I think. Y'all let me know.
Fuck with it.
Yeah, click that first link in the description, man. We out of here, gang.